www.wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best motorcycle alarms. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. When set off, the Rupse E21 is ear-piercingly loud, so it should definitely scare away any would-be thieves, and probably wake the whole neighborhood as well. It can be set up to also flash the indicators along with the siren to attract visual attention too. It comes with remote start and stop functions and is designed for low power consumption, but the directions are poorly translated. At number 8, few options are as simple to install and operate as the wsdcam wireless, which sticks anywhere on your bike using double-sided tape. Its main security function is triggered via vibrations, but it also features a search bell to help locate your ride in crowded parking lots. It can pair with up to 8 remotes and offers 7 sensitivity levels. However, it's too easy to remove. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the tchipie disc lock is available in 2 colors, one of which is a bright red that helps to act as a visual deterrent. It features a 110 decibel siren that emits to scare away would-be thieves if it detects any impacts or movement. It's equipped with a sturdy alloy aluminum body and provides an audible notification of its arming status, plus it comes with extra batteries. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle alarms, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the ABUS Granit Detecto X Plus 8077 is definitely pricey compared to similar models, but it features an extra thick half-inch pin, and the bolt lock and supporting elements are all crafted from a nearly indestructible special hardened steel. It features 3D position detection and comes with 2 keys. However, its siren could be a little louder. Moving up our list to number 6. The Viper 3121V can help protect not just your bike, but your accessories too. Along with the adjustable onboard shock and tilt sensor in the unit itself, it features a closed-loop trigger wire that you can snake through a helmet or saddlebags. The included remotes are waterproof, and it disables the engine if tripped. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. At number 4, if tampered with, the Gorilla Automotive 9100 sounds a warning loud enough to be heard for hundreds of yards. At the same time, it sends a signal to a paired pager up to half a mile away, alerting the owner that the alarm has been triggered. It includes an internal tilt sensor, an LED to indicate the armed status, and a 3-button remote. Nearing the top of our list, number 3. The mysbiker Silver Knight features a 14mm carbide reinforced steel locking pin that makes it very difficult to saw off. Attaching it to the disc with one hand is simple, and it arms itself automatically once secured into place. It comes with a long-lasting battery, a water-resistant housing, and a reminder cable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle alarms, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, despite its very low price, the Bluefire security kit is extremely effective. It uses a combination of flashing indicators and a loud alarm to deter theft attempts, and allows for the motorcycle's engine to be remotely shut down to prevent hot wiring. It works with any 12 or 24-volt battery and includes an adjustable shock sensor and a controller with a blank flip-out key. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Scorpio SRX 950 is a convenient hands-free option that disarms itself automatically when the remote is in range, and then rearms itself when the remote holder walks away. Additionally, the included controller has a helpful motorcycle finder button. It offers a basic 3-wire installation, a built-in battery backup, and vibration alerts. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle alarms, or simply click beneath this video.